A big hello and welcome to all my planner moms, all my glam moms, and all my subscribers. Hope you all are doing well. I'm well and hope the same for you. If you guys are not following me in Instagram, please go ahead and follow. I would leave my link there in the screen as well. Please follow me there because the unboxing, when this product had come, I had already shown there. Not the unboxing, but when it had come, I had shown how it comes in a box. Then because of the COVID thing, I had kept it out for 2 days and then thrown all the boxes. So unfortunately none of the products have their boxes. Anyways, this hair care doesn't have any boxes. This video is going to be about hair care, so if you guys are interested, please continue watching. I would also be having Forest Essential must-haves for child care, essential oils and massage oils, and the fourth video will be about the skincare, which will be the longest video. I'll try uploading all these videos this week itself, so you guys can at least enjoy watching all of them together. And if you are planning to buy Forest Essential, you can. If for many of my planner ladies you do not know what Forest Essential is, basically this Forest Essential is a Indian brand. It's an Ayurvedic brand and it's a luxury Ayurveda, so they are very high-end product that they use the best sources, they use the best ingredients for preparation of their products. Their customer care team is also very helpful, and they have a good it's like they are amazing. They are just like, the whole package itself, the packaging, the ingredients. I've used many of these products and some of them are new. So like this hair care tree is completely new for me, so I do not know, and definitely when I do my MT's video, I'll give you an honest update about it. If you have not seen my MT's video, I have a Forest Essential playlist, so you can go and check it there. And for now, let's begin. So all comes in a box. All right, I've already posted a photo of how the box looks like in this video, so you can see that. And then once it comes, it ships internationally. All right, and in Qatar, luckily the customs is not that expensive. It's like if you order below $1,000, it's going to be $10 is the customs charge, so it's 35 riyal, and which is quite decent and quite cheap compared to one of my subscribers who's in Paris, France. She had told me that she had to pay almost like 53 euros, which is quite expensive, and where you can get the product, you can buy another product. So I just want you guys to know the customs for different countries varies, so definitely have a look how much would be the custom, but shipping is free. That is one good thing. And if you don't have anybody from India who are coming and you want to still try a high-end Indian brand, a product which is like cruelty free, source the best ingredients, and you can trust me, they are simply the best products, and you will really fall in love with them eventually. So so you guys can order, but if not, then if you're in the Middle East, the customs is not too high, so definitely that's why you can see many of my videos I easily order from US, I order from different parts of the world, India, because it doesn't charge me a lot for custom, because it's duty free here, and the customs and the government is amazing in Qatar. Honestly, big shout out to them. Our COVID cases are reducing with God's grace, and they are really helping now. So all Forest Essential, when you order for the first time, you get all of them. You get some what you call freebies. All right, some sample, and these are not small samples, these are deluxe samples, and they're pretty good. At least it lasts you 1 to 2 months, 1 month easily. All right, so green tea, mint and burgard foot cream. Unfortunately, this was not in their website. I really needed this for my husband. I do not know why, but this was not on the website. Ingredients, you can see it has aqua, almond seed oil, coconut oil, sunflower oil, glycerin, haritiki fruit extract, lime peel extract, green tea extract, and so on. I tried for my husband 2 times. He's really liking the feeling of it, because I keep this exclusively for his food, because he stands long hour and works. He's a chef, so and sitting also, so definitely he needs it. So this is one of the free samples. Another free sample that they gave is mandarin and neem hand cream, which is, again, I've not tried it. Yeah, this is how the cream looks like. And it has mandarin, the fruit, and the neem is there, and coconut, avocado butter, oh my god, almond oil, coconut oil, and so on. This they have in the, I think in the store they have this one. Let me smell it and tell you how it is. It has so fresh, very nice smell. It's when I smell it for the first time, it's like a very fruity smell, as citrusy smell, and as that is from the mandarin and neem effect also. So this is quite nicely very moisturizing as well. Thing that I have got is this velvet body cream Nargis. This one I already have the big bottle. If you would have seen my previous Forest Essential videos, you would have seen it. It's this is a nice texture as well, a very nice cream as well. The smell is, some people might like it, some might not like that, but for me I like it. It's quite nice. It's quite rich and quite a good cream, honestly. See, it's a very nice feeling also in your legs and all. If you put it, super. After bath, I smell so good because of this. This is very nice as well. But honestly, this hand cream smells, the smell is even more powerful. It's quite nice. And the next is the luxury soap Bengal Tuberous. These are again all sample sizes, and it has coconut oils, saponified palm oil and glycerin and so on. I will not be opening it because I might be, whenever I use it, I will open it then. So these are the 5 freebies that I received. So guys, this is the Ayurvedic head massage oil made from an old recipe. Includes sesame and coconut oil along with goat's milk and herbal extracts. It's a good hot oil treatment for hair loss and scalp problem, and aids in healthy hair. Warms a small quantity of oil applied to hair, scalp to ends, and leave preferably wrapped with the hot towel for 30 minutes. Wash and then rinse it. So after applying it, put it with hot towel, and then this is how it looks like. Alright, so the first one that I'm using is this hair cleanser Bhringraj and Shikakai. I'll be trying this shampoo for the first time. Right now I use OGX, the keratin one. That's a very good shampoo as well. I love it. And once that finishes, I would be using this. So this is the hair cleanser. It has Shikakai. It is saying, I'm reading from the from their website. It says that it stimulates growth of new hair and controls hair thinning and breakage. It also helps to control dandruff, and all of this is sulfate free and paraben free. So that is super. And it has things like Bhringraj, which is food for hair in Ayurveda. It has Shikakai, which is a fruit, which is popularly referred as the fruit of the hair, as it is naturally mild pH that as the hair that gently cleanses the hair without stripping it of natural oils and encourages strong hair roots. So that is something good. It also has Rita, which is traditionally in preparation of natural cleansers, and it mildly lathers and gives a silky touch. It also has coconut milk, which helps in the softening and of the hair. And you can use it daily or alternate days of the week, and just take a small amount and dilute in water, and the normal way how you will use a shampoo. That's how it is. Once open, this is how the packaging looks like with this thing. I wished they had the pump one. It would be so much easier for our lives, you know. Reopening like this, taking like that, it's like a headache. Like I think their competitor Kama has that. They have added all pumps, which makes easier this dispensing. It will be easier. So this is the hair care Bhringraj and Shikakai, and it charges, its cost is around 1225 for 200 ml. They also have these all in small samples, so you guys can order that and try first. For us, since we order internationally, I don't want to pay the customs, and I don't want to wait once the hair. I want to try this. If it works, good. If not, like me and my husband both use it, so it will finish off in certain time. So the next again is the hair conditioner, which is Bhringraj Shikakai. Again, it's 1350 for 200 ml, and it lasts 12 months. Also this one lasts for 12 months. Again, when you open, it's white in color. It doesn't have a pump. This is how it looks like. Yeah. And this is another very nice, you can just put it like a conditioner how you would be with after washing your hair. It intensely repairs hair while conditioning it. It detangles dry and damaged hair to make hair more manageable, improves hair texture for a more lustrous appearance, enriched with natural Ayurvedic herbal extracts to nourish and repair hair, free from again sulfates and any bad things. It has amla, which nourishes, softens and adds a resilient luster. It has coconut oil, which deeply moisturizes and has antibacterial, anti-inflammatory properties to heal and soothe. Also, it has almond oil, cold pressed oil distilled from sweet almond is the most nutritious for adds glow and deeply moisturizes the hair scalp. So it's quite good. So this is how the hair conditioner Bhringraj looks like. Again, I have already mentioned. The next thing, alright, the next is the hair thickening spray Bhringraj and Shikakai. It comes in a box, alright, authentic Ayurvedic formulation. All of this comes in a box except I think this too. Yeah, I have put a pic in the beginning so you can have a look. Unfortunately, sorry about the unboxing because I had to get rid of those boxes. My daughter will go and look for it, so I had to throw it off. This is a soft and silkening hair serum. It increases density of your hair and controls hair thinning and breakage. It's a non-greasy formula that gives you the hair the formula, luster and strength. What's inside is a Shikakai again, is as I mentioned, is having the pH as of hair, and this is how it looks like. You can just spray it on cleansed dry hair and part your hair into sections and spray the thickening spray onto the scalp section by section. Gently massage for 1 minute and style hair as usual. So this is the hair thickening spray Bhringraj and Shikakai. This is again 1350. I am sorry because I wiped all of them with sanitizers, so that's why it looks like that. I'm using the OGX, the whole range, the shampoo, the conditioner and the hairspray, and that's the keratin one, Keratin Smooth. That's also pretty good. If you guys ever want me to review on that, please put it in the comments so I can do that for you guys. It's quite good. It's my second round for that shampoo. And the final one is the hair vitalizer, and this hair vitalizer, as it says, it has benefits like, again, it stimulates hair growth and vitality and controls hair fall, non-greasy formulation. It has amla, it has Bhringraj, it has green tea as well, which is cooling and refreshing, hydrating and balances oil production and thereby improves skin texture. It also has aloe vera, has strong soothing, hydrating, moisture retaining property and stimulates regeneration of the skin. You can part again, clean, dry, put it on dry, clean hair and spray the hair vitalizer on the scalp section and keep it. You can use it like same as like this. You can use it together or separate. What I plan to do when I will try this whole regime, I will do it all together. Quick review, not very quick, but a little quick review of my hair for hair care for Forest Essential, and I hope you enjoy this. Please stay tuned. I will be having next I would be doing on the essential oils, which is another favorite thing of mine, and I'm trying a couple of products for the first time, and I would tell you how it is. And all of these products, whatever I use for the first time, I will definitely have an empties video down the lane in 7 to 8 months when it finishes. Let me tell you about the smell, which is very important. The hair conditioner, as it says Bhringraj Shikakai, it has like a very Indian smell, I can say, Indian jasmine flower, floral smell. It's quite pleasing a smell. Again, the same Bhringraj and Shikakai, it has a lovely fragrance, you know, like it's a beautiful summer morning, and when your mom used to have nice hair and she used to have these henna and all done, and then she used to walk across and her hair would smell so heavenly. I remember my mother, and though she didn't have the longest hair, she had curly long hair, and then I used to sleep behind her, so I used to smell, and the pillow used to smell of her hair, and she used to use Shikakai, I remember. So it has that smell, it takes you down the memory. Alright, so thank you so much again guys for watching. If you watched all the way till here, please consider subscribing and sharing my video and liking it. I really appreciate it. And all the Forest Essential lovers or whoever want to try during Diwali, mostly I will have a small giveaway, and I'm telling in advance. And so stay connected to my channel, and please subscribe if you haven't, and thank you so much for your valuable time. Take care. God bless.